So, kailangan mo mag-decide. Mag-set ka lang ng isang goal or maybe 100 goal at kunin mo yun isa-isa. And later on, it will build your character, it will build you as a person, and sooner or later, mararamdaman mo, teka, parang successful na ako ah.
Sir, tanong ko lang sir, paano po ba maging successful?
Okay, ang success, napakahabang proseso niya, no? Pero pag-usapan natin, yung first step, which is mag-decide ka. No? For you to be able to reach success, tandaan nyo to ha, for you to be able to reach success, you have to decide. For you to be able to be pointed towards the right direction, you have to have a destination first. So, ano yung unang destination mo? Maybe it's a small goal, maybe it's something that you want, but it will provide you with the knowledge, the skills, the experience for you to be able to be successful in life. So, kailangan mo mag-decide. Mag-set ka lang ng isang goal or maybe 100 goal at kunin mo yun isa-isa. And later on, it will build your character, it will build you as a person, and sooner or later, mararamdaman mo, teka, parang successful na ako ah. Teka, parang ang galing ko na. Teka, parang nag-grow na ako as a person. Because success is actually isang bagay yan na sobrang lawak. Pero makukuha mo yan if you focus on tiny steps and when you decide right now.
Ayan. So, thank you so much. Grabe, it's a privilege na makakausap ng isang highly successful person na kagaya ni Mr. MJ Lopez. And napaka-importante rin na syempre, kung gusto natin maging successful, magtanong tayo at maniwala tayo sa mga taong successful na. Sa mga taong na-achieve na yung success, syempre, kung gusto mo makuha yung goals mo or gusto mo maging successful, magsisimula lahat yan sa isang desisyon. And syempre, magsaset ka ng goals, ng plan, kung paano mo achieve ito. And syempre, magtitake ka rin ng massive action. And yun lang guys, see you soon.